Hi guys, welcome to the show. We are doing a daddy-daughter play-doh decorating challenge. We spin the wheel, get a cookie cutter, and we have 2 minutes to cut it out and decorate it. Abby, you want to spin the wheel first? Softly. She gets number 2, the candy cane. Let's see what I get. I get number 7, the stocking. Where's the stocking? Alright, so we got 2-minute timer set on my phone. And what colors are you going to use today, Abby?
I'm going to use this one, this one, and this one.
Alright, I'm going to use
this.
dark blue, teal, and maybe some black. We only get to pick 3 of them. That's our rules. Our rules are 3 colors. Alright, you ready? Now we're popping the lids off first. Pop the lids off. Alright, you better hurry up and choose. You got 5 seconds. Ready? Here we go. We're setting the timer. Set and start.
I'm already started.
Smash out. Cut my stocking. Whoop-a-doo. Alright, and we're going to put some black around the top. I don't know why, it just sounds like a good color. And we're going to do some blue stripes on mine. What? So we're down to 1 minute left already. Time is flying, Abby, you better hurry. Dun-dun-dun. My stocking looks awesome. Maybe I'll put Dad on the top.
No,
See if I can spell the name.
I know how to spell where in Play-Doh.
Nope. I don't have enough time for letters, I don't think.
Turn.
We got 20 seconds.
I might not have enough time. 10 seconds left.
4, 3, 2, 1. Beep. Time is up. Alright.
Finished just in time.
So here is my stocking. It says Dad on the top. What'd you come up with, Abby?
I have to get it on my cardboard.
Okay, get it on your cardboard.
I got a stocking.
Hey, you were supposed to have a candy cane.
Well, I can't.
You gotta turn it around this way. Whoopsie.
No, you put it the wrong way.
It's supposed to be a candy cane. You made it into a stocking. Mine's a stocking.
No, this is a candy cane.
Yeah, but you made it into a stocking.
I said stocking.